Folks, in today's video, we're going to talk about not one, not two, but three fast-gaining breakout stocks that are set to outperform. Now, we've talked about each and every one of these three stocks about, I would say 7 to 8 months ago. Now, each of these stocks is a growth momentum stock, and they have been really doing well the last several months. And even though the NASDAQ is near record highs, I believe these three stocks will have a chance to continue moving higher. Why? Because each of these companies have a very specific job that they do. Like Shopify, for example, they provide shopping carts, and a lot more people are working from home, opening up their own shops, diversifying their portfolio by expanding their job prospects and doing basically what they want to do on their time zone, especially with the economy working from home and so forth. So I think we're going to see upside. So let me talk a little bit about these stocks. And again, these stocks, before I get too deep, I want you guys to understand these are not day trade positions. These are stocks that I think will outperform over the next quarter. So you got to give them a little time. These are position trades. These are not swing trades. I'm going to give you price targets, but again, make sure you give these stocks a little breathing room and a little time to move, because they can take a few months to generate momentum. It takes time for a stock to really generate momentum and starts moving, and these three stocks fit that bill. So the first stock on my list is, let's just get into this right now here, Shopify. Now, the first stock on my list is Shopify. Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform. The company platform provides merchants the design, the setup to manage their stores online. So let's say you have an idea that you want to sell tennis shoes online. You contact Shopify, they set up a cart platform that matches your website design. Next thing you know, you can accept money. Now, for people who are in the web commerce business, that's not complicated, but for lay people, setting up e-commerce websites is not that easy. And they've been getting a lot of clients. They've seen a 55% increase in share price over the last 12 months. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, you're not going to believe and this is a big company, 673%. 4 quarters of positive earnings surprises, 15 strong buy recommendations, and a price target of about $1,750 a share over the next 12 weeks if momentum levels continue. And I really like the stock. I like how it's consolidating and congesting right now and setting up for another leg up. Also, it's trading near swing highs. And that's Shopify. Next stock, CrowdStrike. Now, CrowdStrike is a very interesting stock. It provides cloud-based delivery protection. Leveraging artificial intelligence, it provides consumers against cyber attacks. Now, cyber attacks have been on the rise lately. It's been all over the news. As a matter of fact, the head of the Fed, Jerome Powell, said in a 60-minute interview about, I would say 8 weeks ago, that cyber attacks pose the biggest threat to America, bigger than COVID. Can you imagine that? The stock is up over 140% over the last 12 months, and it's got 16 strong buy recommendations and a price target of $295 per share over the next 12 months. And I really like this stock quite a bit, actually. It's one of my favorite stocks because cyber attacks, folks, they're not going away anytime soon. Next on our list, let's go to DocuSign. Now, I've talked about DocuSign quite a bit over the last year. DocuSign is a company that allows you to sign contracts online without face-to-face meetings. So you can sign contracts, obligations, mortgages, nonprofits, real estate, insurance. You can buy and sell a home through a DocuSign contract. It's really amazing. Healthcare industries, tech industries, insurance industries, real estate industries are all using DocuSign. And boy, oh boy, look at the price of the stock over the last year. It is just running away. 1 year return, 43%, and it ran up quite a bit last year, trust me. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, 62.5% upside. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, 85% growth. Now, we've seen 3 quarters of positive earnings surprises and estimates, which is very instrumental for the price of the stock to continue moving higher. 12 strong buy recommendations, and most importantly, the fact that the Delta COVID variant is generating fear throughout the country, something I haven't talked about much lately. And we're beginning to see potential lockdowns again. California's talking about lockdowns. If that happens, we're going to be revisiting what we saw last summer. And if that's the case, cyber attack defense stocks, e-commerce stocks, they're going to go crazy. And this is one of those top stocks. Now, aside from the evolution to working remotely, it doesn't appear to be going away anytime soon. And I'm expecting more of it, especially with this Delta variant. I'm seeing a price target of about $310 a share over the next 12 weeks if we continue to see upside momentum levels. Now, before I let you go, and I really like this stock quite a bit, these are my 3 favorite tech stocks. If you want to call them tech stocks, they're not the Amazons. They're not consumer stocks. I mean, you've got a shopping cart for e-commerce. You got a cybersecurity stock, and you have a stock, DocuSign. It's e-commerce, but it's a strange type of a company. It's very unique, and I love all these 3 stocks, and I think you're going to see a lot more upside. Now, before I let you go, I've got something important, timely, something you've got to pay attention to. Stock market expert, Force contributor Adam Sarhan, he's finally giving a handful of folks just like you access to his Alpha Trade system. It's a group of special stocks that only a select few even know about, all with the potential to earn traders triple-digit gains in as little as 24 hours. You can't miss that. In fact, Adam has already found another stock on the move, and he says it's showing clear signs of exceptional growth. Man, I got to check this out myself. Are you ready to see the ticker symbol and get all the information that we need to know? I hope so. All you've got to do is click on the link below at the bottom of this page right now. Find out what Adam's up to. He's a contributor of Forbes. You want to listen to him. This guy's managed money for some of the best money managers' families. Adam is red hot, and he's onto something. Click on the link below. Find out all about this alpha system of his. It's really good stuff. And it makes money if you follow it the right way and if the timing is right. Now, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube, and stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when I post the next video like this one. And most importantly, don't miss Shopify, DocuSign, and CrowdStrike. I think we're getting ready for another bull run. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.